Alright, today we're going to demo Magic Crack. Alright, here we have your typical kind of little spider crack. And we're going to show you how you can quickly and easily make this disappear with Trim-A-Slab Magic Crack. Alright, first thing, we're going to mist the crack. You want to get water down in there. It doesn't need to be wet. Well, it just needs to be moist. No standing water. All right, we're going to use Magic Crack to fill this little spider crack. I've moistened it with water. The next step is you just put this Magic Crack on the crack, filling it all up. Don't worry about extra. We got a little wind today. I pre-moistened the crack just so that it gets some adhesion down inside the crack. Then we're going to fill it all the way. And this, this is just a dry powder. There's no shelf life. It's gonna fill up these cracks. And we brush away any excess. With water. Now, there's a spot that's a little bit deeper, so I'm going to add a little more while we're at it. And that's it. We're going to let that set up, and then we're going to look at it again. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. It's almost dry. You can see there's a lot less visible crack, but we're going to give it a few more minutes, and we're going to look again. All right, it's been about 20 minutes, half an hour, and that crack is pretty much invisible. And you can see here it is going along, and then oops, don't see it anymore. Well, if you do see some, and there's some areas that are not quite filled in, and I can see a few, then you just do that again. If there is if it does shrink down as it cured, apply again, and you can make that go away as well. All right, I've come back again. I've done another batch on this section only, and I just smooth it in with my finger. So, Magic Crack, crack filler, use code BOB10, get 10% off your order. All right, here we are 1 day later. There's the crack, and then it's not there. There's no crack. It is a little bit lighter than the other concrete, but this concrete hadn't been pressure washed in a while, so that may be it. I mean, it's lighter over here. It probably would match better, but crack wise, I mean, there's the crack, and now there's nothing. So that, I think, is pretty freaking cool.